No, see, God damn it. High five.
That's so stupid. You can still see my mouth.
Get over here. Like that, there.
No, wait.
Let's try that again.
Oh!
Get out of it.
Smells like peanut butter and poo. I mean,
You can see everything in black and white. Like, look at that. What is that? Oh, wait, that's Hannah.
Okay, did everyone do their homework this week?
no, I didn't. All right.
Black and white. Put your thumbs up. Yay.
My parents' house. It wasn't easy. Then I heard about Everett.
Get back in My bandy got stuck in your hair. I know there's a camera, but I'm not going to look at it.
Babe, you look like Daddy, and I'm a good-looking Beyonce.
Yeah, I'm a good looking.
No, I just see it. You know, you're going to be a heartbreaker.
She already
Alright.
is.
I already am. You already know what it is.
Four collie birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and